I started out with the Defender, and then I actually got the Tactical, but I put the Proline Jeep body on it. Then I got the Bronco, and I figured, what the heck, I'm going to try to build one of these things. So I went ahead and got the kit. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So today I got in the Traxxas TRX4, the builder's kit. Looking forward to putting it together. I've seen a lot of these on YouTube, so I'm not going to go crazy. Maybe I'm a little late to the party, but I'm going to open it up, show you what's inside real fast, and then I'll start another build series for the TRX4. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and get this thing opened up. Alright, so here is the inside. Everything's packed up. You get the bumpers that look like the ones from the Tactical or the Defender. All of the electronics are in here. Now I'm going to go ahead and use all the stock electronics. I'm not going to put anything different in. I'm going to build this kit as is. Actually, I'm lying. I am going to add these diff covers, but what's that, like a $5 part? Got your springs, shocks. Cool thing about these, they're together already. All you have to do is really add the shock oil. I like that. I'm not a big fan of building shocks. They always seem to leak on me, no matter what I do. So, kind of like the fact that these are already together. The other nice touch is that the links are already put together, because that's another thing that I hate doing, is putting together the links. And you got your cables for your locking diffs. Got your 21 turn, reverse turn motor, and drive shafts, and gearing, bearings. You got your fenders in here, frame rails, and you got the tires. I believe these are not glued, so I will have to go back and glue these on, but they do have the wheel inside the tire. You get your tools with the cross wrench, a few Allen wrenches, some grease it looks like, and the instruction manual. And one thing to note, the kit does not come with a battery or a charger. Alright guys, so that's about it. Just wanted to give an update as far as what's going on, and you know, kind of what I'll be building as the summer goes on. If you liked what you saw, please click the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day, and I'll see y'all soon.